This is the Waretary toilet brush with holder. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the brush with its holder right here. Of course there's a handle I'm going to show you in a second. Silicone bristles on here. Flexible. This can get under the rim nice and easily. It's bendable as you see, so it can really get nicely under the rim without any problem. The base here is ventilated, as you see. So that's all open to the air, so the brush can even dry out in there. You can see some light coming through in certain places like that, but it won't drip because it collects in the bottom. Anything that would drip off would collect in the bottom where it will evaporate. Stand can just stand, or they give you a holder, as you see on the back there, and in this bag is the actual holder itself. I'll show you in detail in a moment, and the handle which screws together. And here is the holder. It slides into place, as you see, like that. You just put it there and it slides on. This is double stick tape here, so that peels off, so you can stick it to the wall, which is nice because then when you clean the floor you don't have to move it if you keep it off the floor. And they even give you an extra holder as well. In addition to that, you get all of these. These are 32 pieces of hooks, as you see. Very same design as this, where it's a peel and stick back and a hook on it, just like that. So you get 32 hooks, great for hanging keys or anything else that you could imagine. You could use them in the garage if you have a door in the garage with a key that you often forget. Be handy to stick on the wall there. Any smooth surface, you know how the peel and stick stuff goes. If you have a textured surface or anything, nothing sticks to that very well. So of course you want a smooth surface like that and all of that. The holders for it, everything's all right there. Let's go ahead and give this a whirl. So I got this stuff. It says it works, so we'll give it a shot. You can use any kind that you want, of course. As far as cleaner goes, it goes under the rim and the whole nine, you know, your typical whatever you want to use. And then we will get our Waretary toilet brush, and you can see how it bends like that, and you can go and scrub out the bowl as such. As far as the brown lines in there, that's from iron in the water. Not too much I can really do about that. It gets right under the rim without any trouble, just like that. And you get the idea. So once again, this was the Waretary toilet brush with holder. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Well, that video went down the drain.